First, apply permanent gel. Leave it on for 13 minutes and keep brushing every 2 minutes. Remove the gel with a dry cotton ball. Second step is to apply neutralizer cream and leave it on for 13 minutes. Last step is to apply brow tint. This client didn't want brow threading and waxing to keep her brows as thick was possible. Last step is to apply brow tint. This client didn't want brow threading and waxing to keep her brows as thick was possible. Wow! Look at the difference! Her eyebrows look amazing! Brow lamination is really a game changer!